Last time we have discussed about how to design septic bolt, right? And then we have come out the different parts of the septic bolt. Then uh, the purpose, the usage, how to construct it, what is the distance, what is the length, or what is the height, and what are the different parts of the water tank or septic bolt. Now, our next topic is about how to design biogas diagram. We call it biogas biofuel digester. Okay, that is the complete term of biofuel digester. Last time we have discussed the different parts of septic bolt, which is the uh, digestive chamber, and then go to the other compartment, which is we call leaching chamber. Now we will have to create another chamber. We called it biofuel digester or biofuel methane. What is methane? Methane is a gas for usage for cooking and for electricity. Okay, this is methane. So meaning this is very important. Once we have discovered, listen to the students, especially to the students, those following up my video on episode today, you better listen who are listening today all over the world. This is very important. If you have to try to find and discover how to design a biofuel gas or methane. If you have discovered this, you can now minimize your electricity. Okay? Your current. Because this is just a free from your septic tank or septic vault, as what we have discussed last time about septic vault. Now from septic vault itself, this is contains of oxygen or gas. So from there, we have to invite this and put into another safety compartment. Okay? Safety compartment meaning from the septic vault, we have to create another vault. We call it biofuel digester or biofuel digested. Okay? In other words, it is a biofuel methane. Now, what is methane? Methane is composed of gaseous matter that will create into a cooking gas and electricity. Do you believe that, as what I have discussed last time? From your septic vault, you can create biogas for cooking, and you can convert that into electricity by using a generator. And even the generator, as nowadays, they were using gasoline or diesel or petroleum in order to run the engine. Now, no more. These are all free. All you have to do is just buy an engine. Okay? With this, what we call it, gas engine. Okay? Gas engine is a little bit cheaper than the generator. Okay? But it must be complete. For example, okay, you have your own generator at home. We can convert that into a gas generator using your biogas. Okay? So once you have a biogas, you can have a free usage of cooking gas and electricity. So no more gasoline, no more petroleum, no more diesel. All you have to do is all coming from the septic vault. What we have created long time ago, because this one is ready to use already, because this one is how many years ago. So meaning if it is number of years, there's are a great volume of gas or methane inside the septic vault. For example, 10 years ago, you can have already a lot of gas or methane for your cooking cooking gas in the kitchen, cooking, and also electricity. You can run an engine already. Even how big is the engine, you can run because of the capacity of the methane inside the septic vault. So now this is another discovery. Okay, this is discovered by Max. As per my research over the goggles, I have found out that septic vault is really very, very necessary, and it is very useful. No more electricity, main current, no more gas, no more collecting from the government electricity. No more. These are free. You have it already in your septic vault. Okay? Later, I will discuss to you how to use this septic vault gas for your cooking and for your electricity. So just remember, septic vault in our house is very useful, not only for waste matter. It is also can be used as electricity and cooking materials. Like for the methane, for cook the gasol. Last time we are buying gas, right? Gas of tank. How much per tank? It's very expensive. Okay? Very expensive. How much? You buy a gasoline or a silane or gasol tank. That's very expensive. That is cost by thousands. Okay? It costs, but if you have this, come out this technique, which is free already, and you have it already in your septic vault. All you have completed there already. All you have to do is just use your own generator to convert this into gas generator. No need to use gas, no need with petroleum, gasoline, or whatsoever. No, it is just only be driven by your gas, the methane, inside your septic vault. Okay? So very good news to everybody. We save a lot of money. We have it. We have these resources already at home. Okay? You have your generator, engine generator for gas generator, right? Gasoline generator. Now, no more gas, no more gasoline, no more petroleum. You can now use your engine to run using your gas from the septic vault. Just imagine how many years already? Septic vault? 10 years, 5 years? So you have a lot of gas already inside. So, save a lot of money. So now, because of modern technology, science, we discovered biogas. Okay, biogas system or biogas fuel methane for cooking and for electricity. Okay? This is a very good news to everybody who are listening to my video tonight, this afternoon. It's a great advantage how to use your septic vault. Okay, you know septic vault? Last time we have discussed about septic vault, right? Composed of two chamber, digestive chamber and the leaching chamber. Now from there, we have to gather the whole septic vault into another vault, which is called biofuel digester. Biofuel digester is, in other words, it is a biofuel methane, meaning it is a septic vault for gas. From your biogas system, let's start listen, study, especially those architecture students or who are studying about architecture. This is your chance to have additional knowledge as what you have learned in the school. How to design a biogas to be used for your electricity and for your cooking. Start. Okay, as I said, we have to utilize our septic vault, existing septic vault at home, and then convert it into biofuel digester. Okay, biofuel digester, it is, in other words, biofuel methane, meaning it is a septic vault for gas. Okay, remember what is the name of a septic vault for gas is it is called biodigester. Close and open parenthesis. It is a biogas digester, close and open parenthesis, methane. How do you spell methane? M-E-T-H-A-N-E. Methane. Okay, methane means it's a gas for purpose of cooking and electricity. Okay, so go back from the septic vault, we have to create another digestive fuel digester. So how to design a digestive digester? Okay, this is just a very simple, just like a septic vault, but just only one compartment. No more digestive chamber, no more leaching chamber. Just only one compartment, just very small, normal size, about 1 meter by 2 meter, very small. And then inside, you have to do the opening, plaster it by the use of hollow blocks. The same as septic vault, but this one is no more compartment. As what you can see, the septic vault is just the same as the biofuel digester. Okay, the same procedure. Only we have to gather that materials inside to another compartment. We call it biogas digester. Okay, later I will show you the drawing, right? Okay, now from biogas digester, you have to provide an inlet pipe from the digestive, from the septic board, and then another pipe is, we call it outlet pipe, to your external, meaning to the soil. Okay, to the soil. Okay, so from the soil, it will, all the waste matter will be uh, absorbed into the soil, right? So from there, we have to create another pipes. Okay, we have to create another pipe. We call it outlet pipes. Okay, this outlet pipe is composed of, is no longer PVC. It can be metal pipe, which is about 1/2 of an inch diameter, to your kitchen. You have to provide a pipe, another pipe connected to your kitchen. Which part of the kitchen? Connected to your cooking gas or the stove. You have to connect that underneath, wherein you have to connect your gas range, right? You know the gas, the tank, there is a accelerator there. Okay? From there, you have to remove that and replace it with the biogas pipes. There's a regulator, right? From that regulator, you have to replace with your own biogas. Okay? So, we call this biogas tank. So, that is from biogas digester. You have another container which is what called gas tank, biogas tank. So meaning this is just only purely gas inside. Okay, what is inside the biofuel digester? The biofuel digester inside is, you can see there the cocoa fiber, the black soil, the plastic, and organic foam to cover different layers. First layer is the soil, black soil. Second layer is the coconut fiber, and the next one is plastic, and then cover it again with gravel on top, so that whatever water from the septic mold goes to this biodigester, it is being filtered. No more sand, this purely water. Okay, remember from the digestive leaching chamber, it is about more or less water, right? But from there, when you have to go there to reaching up to the biofuel, it become purely water, all water ready. So from there, we have to create another tank. We call it biogas tank. So from biogas tank, this is the gas, or the methane is already ready to use for your cooking and for your electricity. Okay, so from there, as I said, you have to connect from your biogas tank, connect to your cooking stove. Replace the old gasoline or xylene. Remove the regulator and then replace with biogas pipe. So it's connected already, right? Okay. This one, you can already cook. Okay. Then the other pipes, there will be P pipe, right? One is going to the kitchen, the other one is going to your house. This is a cycle. Okay, from the cycle, from the house, go to your water tank. Then water tank goes to gas. Then to your gas, it will go back again to your house as what? Electricity. Okay, this is a cycle, like a life cycle or the water cycle. It is just rotating. Okay, it's just only a rotation or cycle of wastage. I remember last time I discussed that from wastage of different materials to the dumping area, then you have to regrind it and produce hollow blocks, another byproduct, right? The same thing as this. There is another byproduct from your toilet, goes to the gas digester, and then from gas digester, it will give you cooking gas, or you can produce electricity to serve again the house. Okay, so no more no more LIECO, no more what they call that, no more government electricity already. You have free at home. Actually, you are free. So this is very advantageous to recycle your septic tank into different usage. Hi guys, sorry we'll not be able to finish for the topic for today about biofuel chamber because we have no more time. I promised to show to you the drawing, how does it looks like, the biofuel to biogas. You remember the diagram, continuations. So just don't forget to subscribe my video so that you can follow up the continuations about how to create or how to design a biofuel gas digester. Okay, watch out. Please subscribe the video so that you can continue or you can go on watching about this the part 2 of this episode. Okay, see you bye. See you by our next continuations of this episode. Okay, bye.